VCM, or the voice coil motor for fast focusing. Hello guys, so today's vlog, join me as I test the new lens from Canon, which is the Canon RF 35 1.4 VL VCM, or the voice coil motor. Um, let's test the lens and check the quality, and the focusing is too fast, and yes, so let's find out. So again guys, so it's been a while that we don't have a vlog and new lens, or yeah, new lens from the Canon, which is the Canon RF series. So today's vlog guys, we have here the Canon RF 35 1.4 L VCM. So let's test, let's check the quality, put in the tripod, the camera, let's put in the Canon R6 Mark II and check the focusing in video. So and guys, let's go. So this is the lens, the 35 f1.4 L VCM. So attached in the Canon R6 Mark II. So let's try to take some videos. So, hello guys. So, this is the 35 1.4 L VCM in low light. So, it's totally low light, guys. So, we're using the uh, Canon R6 with the lens, of course. And this is the quality of the lens and the camera R6 Mark II in the low light. So, and guys, it's quite nice. And it's not heavy. The lens is not heavy. So, it's good for vlogging also. So, and guys.